In today's video, we're going to see how to make chicken sandwich. Yes, you can have this in your weight loss journey in moderation, maybe 1 to 2 sandwiches for breakfast or for lunch. Chicken is a rich source of vitamin B12 protein. It also has some lean fat in it, but it has zero carbohydrates. It keeps you full for long and it also satisfies your taste buds. And when you're using chicken, go for chicken breast because it has very less fat. In this recipe, we're not going to add any mayonnaise or sauce, yet it's going to taste so delicious. You have to trust me on this. And you can make it really fast in under 10-15 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's quickly go see how to make chicken sandwich for weight loss. I've taken about half cup of boneless chicken pieces, and these are breast pieces because they don't have much fat in them. And now I'm going to chop them into really small pieces. I want to make them as small as possible so that they will get cooked very fast. In a pan, I'm taking about 1 teaspoon of oil and I'm adding 1 onion finely chopped. I'm going to saute the onions for some time till they become a little golden brown in color. After that, I'm going to add about half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, and then I'm going to add a little bit of water so that the spices do not get burnt, and I'm going to give it a good mix. Once everything is combined, I'm going to add the minced chicken and then some salt for taste. Now I'm going to give it a good mix. Now it is mixed well. Then I'm going to add about half a capsicum finely chopped. After mixing it well, I'm going to add hung curd to it, about 2 tablespoons of it. This is thick curd. I've just hung it on a cotton cloth for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now I'm going to give it a good mix. Then I've taken a few bread pieces and I'm going to toast it on a tawa. You can alternatively just grill the sandwiches once the filling is filled. I just want to toast it today. I'm going to take a little bit of the filling and add it on the bread. Spread it evenly as much as you want. Closing it with another slice of bread. And finally our sandwich is ready. This is so yummy. You have to try this. Let me show you how it looks from the inside. So please go try it out. It turns out really good. Anybody can make it, even beginners. And bachelors, please do not go outside and eat often. It will spoil your gut. Try and make these simple recipes on your own, which you can make in no time, and it also tastes delicious. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.